Today we're going to look beyond the basic features of your Chromebook and look at some new tips and tricks. Let's start by taking a look at the app launcher. There are some pre-installed apps that you may want to check out. Click on your app launcher in the lower left corner of your shelf, and then click on the arrow at the top of this window. This will give you access to all the apps you have installed in Chrome. An important one to know about is Files. It will be a blue circle with a white folder icon. This is where you will find files that you have downloaded, such as PDFs or screenshots you've taken. Another app is Camera, a black circle with a gray camera icon. This will activate the webcam so you can take a picture. And your Chromebook also has a calculator app that can come in handy. You know those frequently used apps in the middle of your shelf? You can choose which apps show there by right-clicking an app on the shelf to unpin, or right-clicking on an app in the app launcher to choose Pin to Shelf. Now let's take a look at the touchpad. You know you can scroll up and down on a page with 2 fingers, but you can also scroll side to side using 3 fingers when you have several tabs open in Chrome. This lets you quickly switch between the tabs without having to click directly on them. There's some things you need to know about the Chromebook keyboard that are different from a laptop. The graphic on this slide tells about the keys across the top row of the keyboard and the search key found right below the tab key on the left side of your keyboard. Starting on the left side of the top row, next to the escape button, there's a back button and a forward button for when you're on the web. Next to that is a button to refresh the page you are on. Then there's a key to show full screen, and next to that is a key to switch to your next window. Like in the status area, you can increase or decrease the brightness of your screen and increase, decrease, or mute the volume. And then on the left, just below the tab key, there's a search key so that you can access the address bar. Since the search key is located where the caps lock usually is, let's look at how you can use all caps on a Chromebook. Instead of a key on the keyboard, caps lock is a keystroke or a combination of keys that are pressed at the same time. Holding down the Alt key in addition to the search key with the magnifying glass on it will turn on all caps. You can do the same keystroke to turn it off. There's also no delete key, usually found in the upper right-hand corner of a keyboard. The delete key lets you delete characters in front of your cursor. There's a keystroke for that too. You can delete by holding down the Alt key and pressing the backspace key. You may know how to lock your screen using the button in the System menu that pops up when you click on the status area, but there's also a keystroke that you can use to walk away from your Chromebook and only have to put in your password to get back in. You can lock the screen with the keystroke of Control, Shift, and L. Give it a try. All you have to do is put in your password to get back in. Another keystroke that is different on a Chromebook is for taking a screenshot. If you want to take a picture of your whole screen, hold down the Control key and press the Window key on the top row that lets you switch between windows. When you take a screenshot, a pop-up window will show up in the lower right-hand corner, letting you access the image or save it to the clipboard to be pasted somewhere else. If you need that screenshot again in the future, it will be in your Files app in the app launcher. Give it a try. If you want to select a specific area of the screen, use the Control, Shift, and Windows keys to get a plus sign that you can click and drag over the area you want to capture. Let's try that too. Okay, let's look at some options in your System menu. When you click the status area in the lower right-hand corner and open your System menu, you can connect to devices with Bluetooth, control what notifications you get on your Chromebook, and switch your screen to night light so it isn't so bright for your eyes in the dark. Did you know that your Chromebook has accessibility features that help you customize your Chromebook to fit your needs? While we're in the System menu, click on the gear at the top. Then click Advanced in the list on the left. Scroll down to find the accessibility settings, and then click on Manage Accessibility Features. Here you can turn on and off text-to-speech features, display settings, keyboard and text input options, mouse and touchpad features, and audio and caption settings. Now you're a Chromebook guru. If you have technical issues with your Chromebook, contact the Parkway Help Desk at 314-415-8181 or send an email to helpdesk@parkwayschools.net.